what's up y'all? Okay, so this is Kuya Dubs and you're watching the Kuya Dubs Project. Okay, so this point in time, nandito ka tayo ngayon sa may food court here at SM City, Baguio. And it's already 1 PM and we will be having our lunch. Hello, so what's up y'all? It's already 2 PM. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may tuktok ng SM Baguio. Ayan, so as you can see here on my background, so medyo malamig. And ayun, so bakit nga ba ako nandito ngayon? So of course, nandito tayo ngayon dahil to unwind syempre and mag-relax na rin as well. So yun. Ayan, so this point in time kami ay naglalakad here in the Session Road. Ayan, so as we can see here in the background. Ayan, with my kasama namin si Ate Hana from si IUPH. Well, finally may na-meet din ako. And then si anong pangalan niya, Ate? What's your name?
Ama.
She's Ama. So she's from Fiji.
Yeah.
Ayan, so welcome to our channel.
Hey guys.
Ayan, so here.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Okay, so patuloy kami naglalakad here and with them. Hello. So we're walking here at Assumption Road. Assumption Road. The tree house. It's beautiful. So we're here at Turks and we're having our snacks because it's already 4 PM I guess. 4 PM, right?
Yeah.
Ayan. So with Ate Hana, Ate Ama, and Kuya, my brother Carl, and yours truly, Kuya Dubs. So let's eat. Ayan, so this point in time, hello. So nandito tayo ngayon sa may Burnham Park. Ayan, so may rainbow doon, no? Ayan, I will show this. May rainbow doon sa taas. So hello. Happy dinner.
140 sana 140 sa Victory. Pag estudyante 70.
Mata yun. So yun, it's already 9 PM here at rooftop, as you can see here. Wow. So nandito tayo ngayon. As you can see here, ayan. So here are the city lights, as you can see in the background. Right. point in time we are going to church. And so medyo magalakad pa kami. So the time check is already 9:30 AM. So at this point in time, katatapos na ng service, yung church service here in the Baguio City sa LIJ. So ayun, maganda yung message, the song itself. God, you're so good to me. What's up, yun? So nandito tayo sa Session Road. So it's Sunday kasi kaya sarado yung daan dito. And as you can see here, maraming activities po around this road. So tara, pasyalan natin to. Here in the Session Road. So kasama ko po, ano po yung name niyo po?
Janine po.
Ayun, Janine.
Pero
So
Moana.
ayun, Moana. Ayun, so isa po siyang cosplayer. Tama po ba? Ayun po siya, and swim with through with other cosplayer din. So nandito tayo sa Session Road. Ano po pangalan po natin?
I'm Jocelyn and I'm
Jocelyn.
cosplaying Chun-Li from Street Fighter.
Ayun, sa Street Fighter. Ayun. Ako street lang. Ayun, so
On the street talaga.
on the street lang. Okay, so kasama niyo po sila.
Si Borax po, tsaka
Uy, Borax!
Oy, Borax!
Ayun, yung mga kasama po nilang cosplayer. Ayun. Ayun, so welcome to our vlog. Ayun po. Ayun, it's a blessing po na na-meet ko po kayo, and syempre dahil matagal po yung yung time nyo nag-stay dito, paano nyo naman po yung nakakayanan, gano'n.
Ano lang po sana yan, tsaka much as possible, feel ko po kasi yung character. Para talagang, alam mo yun, I could go on through the day.
Ayun, so yun, at least we can learn from them also, and kahit sa dami po ng tao ay still nakakapagbigay po sila ng kangitian sa mga kasama. So tayo kasama si Spider-Man. Ayun, so si Spider-Man, okay. Ako lang mas si Spider. Ayan, so hello po. Ayun.